Welcome to Kahoot. Kahoot is a multiplayer game-based learning platform that presents students with trivia-style questions and is a great way for teachers to formatively assess their students. Teachers can create a free account, create a Kahoot with original questions, or select from a multitude of pre-made Kahoots that have been shared with the community of Kahoot users. Each Kahoot has a game code. Students can download the free app onto their smartphone or tablet, enter the Kahoot game code, and create a screen name. Students earn points for correct answers, as well as how quickly they answered the question. After each question, the answers are tallied and the correct answer is revealed. This graph alerts teachers of questions that were commonly missed. This feature allows teachers to remediate or reteach areas of weakness. Also shown is the top 5 username ranking scoreboard. Students are motivated through this competitive feature to not only answer the question but send it in as quickly as possible. They are motivated to read quickly yet carefully, a good test-taking skill. Kahoot is not just a platform for reinforcing knowledge. It can be used in a variety of ways. Kahoot can be used to introduce a new topic and assess prior knowledge. It can also be used to break the ice at faculty meetings or at the beginning of the school year as a get-to-know-your-classmates activity. It is a fun, interactive way to exchange information. Kahoot has 2 ways in which students can participate. There is the single-player mode that allows teachers to assign a Kahoot as homework for reinforcement, and a team player mode which allows students to work as a collaborative team. I hope you consider Kahoot. I chose this tool because we see an increase in student engagement when learning takes place in a competitive game format. Further, Kahoot is a way that teachers can formatively assess where their students are within a unit of study and what topics or concepts need to be given more attention. Kahoot is beneficial to student learning because there is immediate feedback as well as an explanation of the correct answer, which promotes class discussion. Kahoot is a fun and engaging way to formatively assess student learning.